Yes, Nima. Nima, i-edit sa kaisa hindi ka?
What if we have a smart attendance management system?
Now taking you through the admin web app, the admin will have all the administrative privileges, whereby this is the dashboard and we have implemented all the dark mode and light mode features, and this is the department-wise attendance snapshot, and on the right is the attendance trend. On the programs page, the list of programs will be shown, whereby we can add a new program, then we can also edit that particular program. Then moreover we can also delete that particular program. So basically all the CRUD operations are supported. Now diving into each individual program, for the IT department we have 3 categories, and for the staffs, the list of staffs belonging to that department will be shown, whereby we can add a new staff. So out here also all the CRUD operations are possible. So adding a new staff, then we can also search that staff. We can also filter using various filtering options. We can also edit that particular staff, as you can see on the screen right now. Then we can also delete that particular staff. There is also a provision for bulk uploading of staff or student details, so that the workload for the admin gets reduced. And diving into each individual staff, the list of modules allocated to that staff will be shown, and if you dive deep into that, the attendance record for that particular module will be shown, which will be the list of students for that module and all the attendance record. Here also we have implemented the search feature and pagination, and also we have the legends over there for the first time users. Now on the students section, it's basically the same as for the tutors, but there are just difference in the columns. All the CRUD operations are also supported along with the bulk upload options. And if we dive deep into each student, the list of modules that are allocated to that student will be shown, and then diving into each module, the attendance record for that particular student will be shown, which can also be downloaded in CSV format. Now for the module section, all the modules that belongs to that particular department will be shown. Here also we can do all the CRUD operations. So as you can see, now we edit. Now we are going to edit that particular module. Then we can also delete that particular module. And there is also search feature available. And also the filtering by years options. Now on the HODs or PLs list, the list of program leaders will be listed out here for better visibility of the people. And in this page we can add a new location for geofencing purposes, whereby we can add the coordinates along with the name of the classroom, and then all the list of the locations will be shown, which can be used for verifying students' location later on. And for the profiles page, we have the ability to change password, and finally with clicking on logout, the session gets end. And now for the Dean of Academic Affairs, everything is same like the admin, but the only difference you can see is that they do not have the ability to add a new location. As for the program leader, he or she will be able to see the dashboard as it is, but inside the programs, the staff, students and modules details will be according to the program the PL belongs to. However, all the other features remains the same. For each individual tutor, the tutor will have only read and update options. The tutor will also not be able to add students or staffs, but they can do so for the modules, since the modules will be managed by the individual tutors also. This is the dashboard for the students. Only the allocated modules will be shown and the corresponding attendance records. Let me now show you how attendance is taken. The tutor logs in, and this is the list of modules that belongs to the tutor. On the student side, after the student successfully logs in, all the modules that are allocated to that student will be shown. The student also has the ability to enroll into a new module using the module code. Then after successful completion, then the student can view the details. So as of now, you can see there is no active attendance and no attendance record. And now on the tutor's end, the tutor can start the attendance by defining all the details. Then on starting the attendance, an attendance session is created, which will also be shown on the student's end. Now the student can mark their face, and after successful verification of face, we can now verify the location. All the attendance records after marking location is successful, the attendance record is updated in real time on the tutor's end, as you can see, and all the other students will be marked absent. And the tutor can also end the session before the time, and the attendance report for that particular session will be shown. Now checking on the student side, we can now see that a new attendance record is created. For the first time users, the facial onboarding is required. The students on the first login will be prompted with this screen, whereby they will register their face, and on successful registration, their face embeddings will be registered against their own details. For the dean or the program leaders, all the programs will be shown, whereby under each program they can choose the particular year they want to view, and under that the list of modules will be shown. And for each module they can generate the attendance report and see all the records of the students. They can also download the report in CSV format, and they can also dive deep into the records of each individual student. Since the dean is also a tutor, they can switch the roles into the tutor's dashboard. In addition to starting the attendance session, the tutor can also start a head count session, whereby the tutor can manually check the students and mark them present, absent or leave, which will also generate the attendance records. The tutor can also change their own profile details. He or she will be able to view the module details, whereby the change of enrollment key is also possible from the mobile app, and all the list of students belonging to that module is listed. And for the attendance record, the attendance distribution and monthly present percentage will be shown in charts, and they can view it for each month. And for the daily report, they can choose the particular date and time, and they can see the attendance report of all the students, and they can also alter the status of students if required. And for the monthly details, they can choose the month, and all records for the students will be shown, and we can also dive into each individual students to see